Take a ride in the 2013 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.